Hey guys, my name is Mrs. LeMay. I help kids with reading at our school, and I also help kids that don't speak English as their first language. And we are going to be working together on some phonics videos, and I am so excited about it. So, a lot of kids, when they get to middle school, they're like, oh my goodness, there's these big words, and I don't know how to say them, and I'm just going to guess through it and hope that nobody notices. I want to make sure that you are confident in your reading, especially now that you are in middle school and you will encounter big words. I want to make sure that you have the tools in your toolbox to be able to decode those words as best you can. Okay, and I want you to feel confident doing it. So that is the purpose of our videos. Okay, so like if you see a real word like this, you don't immediately go, I don't know what it is. I'm just going to guess. Okay, I want you to be able to look at this and go, oh, Mrs. LeMay taught me some rules for reading that will help me be able to decode this multisyllabic word. Multisyllabic just means more than one syllable. So, because of phonics skills, I know that I break my word apart right here. A sub. I break my word apart right here. U, Q. Sorry, there's a glare. I break my word apart right here. A, tay. E, knee. And I also know, sorry, I'm trying to get back on the screen there, that OUS is a suffix and it says us. Okay, so because of phonics skills, I know that my whole word is sub, Q, tay, knee, us, subcutaneous. Okay, and I want you to feel just as confident being able to decode these big words. Okay, so you can see it in parts. And I'm going to teach you some of the rules for reading that will help you be able to decode and see this word in parts. OUS, I mentioned, was a suffix. We won't be covering suffixes and prefixes in my phonics videos with you guys. However, with the older kids, I do talk more about prefixes and suffixes, and hopefully in some of your other classes you'll talk about those too. And phonics helps because it helps you see the word in parts instead of just one big scary thing. You get to break it apart into parts, but will also help you see the suffixes, prefixes, affixes within the word too, which is also very helpful. Okay, so I'm hoping to help you become more confident and help these big words become less scary. Okay, there's one more thing that I wanted to show you guys. I'm an incredibly visual person. Some of you might be very visual too, and if you're not, uh, it's just something fun to look at, I guess. So this is my mini phonics lesson progression. So basically, we will cover skills 10 through 15, okay? And every time we are finished with each skill, there's about, I think, 5 videos with each skill. I will put a little dancing figure on top of here. So one thing you may not know about me is I love to sing and I love to dance. So I'm a mover, I like visual things. And so I'm going to put a little dancing figure on top of each skill once we pass each one. I'll also come by your classrooms every once in a while and you might get a little surprise, a little piece of candy or something just for working hard, because I do appreciate you working hard to make your reading easier and better. So each time we pass a skill, we'll put a little dancing figure, then we'll move on to the next skill. Once we get through all those, I'll put another little dancing figure, we'll move on to the next skill, and so on until we're completely done with skill 15. Okay, so keep working hard with me. I'm really excited about this journey. I look forward to going on this with you, and I hope to see you soon. Have a super fantastic day. Bye, guys.